Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Waze on toll expressways in Luzon, Philippines. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, commonly known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main menu. This will reveal all the key settings and options available in your Waze app. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Waze experience and configure important features like toll passes, which is exactly what we need to do for using toll expressways in Luzon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Toll and HOV passes. Tap on it to access the toll configuration section. This feature is crucial because it allows Waze to identify which toll passes you have, so the app can accurately plan routes using toll expressways that match your payment method. Now you'll see a list of available RFID toll passes. Look for the plus icon or add button next to Auto Sweep RFID and Easy Trip RFID. Tap the plus icon beside each one to add them to your profile. These are the two main RFID systems used on toll expressways in Luzon, so having both enabled ensures Waze will route you through any toll road you have access to. This step is important because without these passes configured, Waze might avoid toll roads entirely, even if they're the fastest route. After you've added both RFID passes, you can close the settings menu by tapping the back button or the X icon. This will take you back to the main Waze screen where you can start planning your route. Now tap on the search field at the top of the screen and enter your destination. You can type in a specific address, business name, or landmark anywhere in Luzon. Once you see your desired location appear in the search results, tap on it, then tap Go Now to start route planning. Waze will immediately begin calculating the best routes to your destination, including options that use toll expressways. Next, look at the lower right corner of your screen and tap on the route icon. This icon shows you all available routes to your destination. After tapping it, you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, tap on List to view all route options in detail. This list view makes it easier to compare different routes, including their distances, estimated times, and whether they use toll roads. Now carefully review the routes displayed and choose the one that contains the toll expressway. You'll be able to identify it by looking at the route details, which will mention specific expressways like NELX, STAX, or SLEX. Once you've found your preferred toll route, tap on it to select it, and then tap Go to start your navigation. Waze will now guide you through the toll expressway using your configured RFID passes, and that's it. You've successfully set up Waze to use toll expressways in Luzon with your RFID passes, making your trips faster and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.